It's finally time to pick the Concord grapes in the backyard. I cut these vines back earlier this year, so I don't think they really produced as much as they could have, but I still have enough grapes here to make something in my little basket from the Peterborough Basket Company. May they rest in peace. So, what are we going to make? We're going to make some Concord grape and apple jelly. Now, apples have a high amount of what's called pectin, and that's the normal thing that you buy at the grocery store by names like Sure Gel or whatever the fuck it is to make your jelly or jam gel. So I'm using the natural pectin that's found in apples and the grapes themselves in order to make this gel. So it's not going to gel as much as it would if I used a concentrated version of that, but it is going to work nonetheless. I'm not wasting a damn thing here. I've got all the cores in there. I've got the apple peels, the whole grapes. We're adding a buttload of sugar. I know I'm on a no sugar kick, but I'm not done with sugar. I'm just eating a lot less of it. Look at this. It's a little loose, of course, because I'm just using the natural pectin from fruits, but it still is jelly. This is as natural as it gets, my friends. And this, I'm telling you, was so fucking delicious on these homemade biscuits with some butter. I was in heaven. So good. Highly recommend it.